Hi, I'm Anton. It's day 26 of the Daily Crypto Installment program. As usual, I bought 3 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. If you ask me, don't you get bored buying crypto every day? The answer is no. It's the same as going to the office every day, showering every day, eating every day, and sleeping every day. So, that's a record of my daily crypto purchases on February 5th, 2025. Today we're discussing Ethereum again, and the topic is, what does Ethereum have to do with Web3? Web3 is the term for the next generation internet, where data and applications are not controlled by a single company, but run in an open, decentralized manner. Well, Ethereum is the foundation of many Web3 applications. These include digital wallets, lending and borrowing applications, NFTs, DAOs, bossless digital organizations. Because Ethereum can run smart contracts, it is the backbone of Web3. So when we buy ETH in installments, we're not just buying coins, but also becoming part of the future of internet technology. Cool, right? If you think it's cool too, just like this video, and subscribe too. We'll discuss XRP again tomorrow.